welcome to One of Days with Baz. This is Baz. I'm probably going to stop saying that because it's obviously me. But I'm trying to teach something today. It is using the script manager to save time testing your script. Talking about Python SDK on Cinema 4D. So, to learn about this, we were going to open up Cinema 4D, go to Script Manager, and I'm going to teach you how to save time. And also get some cool perks out of it too. So, I have the Script Manager open, and why is this saving us time? Well, I'll tell you why. First, you're going to go off and, open or import. I don't know the difference between these two, and it bothers me. I've even looked in the documentation. It's just not very explicitly said what is the difference between these two. Alright, that's like a little personal thing I just can't teach. I don't know. But do one of these two, and if you know the difference, tell me. And once you get your code, your script, you're going to load a Python script that you already wrote into here. And you can probably just write a new one from scratch in here as well. What's so great about it is, if you don't use the script manager, you got to go to script, user scripts, run script, every single time, and you're debugging your script. You're running this like 100 times a day, if you're like me, that's probably more. So, and it's just annoying, and then you got to click, and you got to get the dialog box open, and you got to click the file, and then hit open. Well, the difference now is that with this, I can actually load an icon. I get my icon, I can drag this to my editor, and I can just go like this now. Click, and I'm already my Python script's being run. In the case of my Python script, I actually need to open a file. So if I open this file, this would come up once. I would open it, and then another one would come up. It's just kind of annoying. And you saw how much time I just saved. And if I'm doing that 100 times a day for a week, I'm just yummy. I don't want an argument. This saves time. So not only does it save time, it also gives you another place to edit your script. Sometimes it's convenient, but I do prefer external text editor, Sublime Text, 2 or 3, whatever. And if you put your script in some place, for lack of better words, normally it won't keep in sync between the script manager and your external editor. So the way to get around that is you put your script in a specific location that Cinema 4D references. Or you can make a soft link, hint hint, so that you can have your script in a normal location it's at, but Cinema 4D will still reference it. Actually, that's what I do. So I made a little shortcut here to the scripts folder because it's kind of a far away place in the directory tree. You can see here it's in your home directory /library/preferences /maxon/cinema 4D r16, personal stuff related to my version /library/scripts. Totally crazy long place to go. So yeah, shortcut is so key. Anyway, if you see, I've got a soft link myself to my real location of this script, and I prefer doing it that way. You can copy and paste it, whatever. And Cinema 4D will automatically, when you load in an icon, it'll create apparently a TIFF of it. So cool. If you want to know how to make the soft link, you would do ln-s, the original location of the file, followed by the name of the soft link. Let me just test that to make sure. So I'm gonna make another soft link right now. But I don't want to do it in here. I'm gonna do it in the temp directory. So I'm gonna do ln/s. Remember the file that we want to link to first, and then our link name, derp. Let's derp. And that's the way you do it, guys. That's a nice way if you want to keep it in the original location. Okay. So I just told you about the script manager and why I think it's useful, and how I can create an icon and get a little button for my script. Very fun. Is there anything else to say about this? I don't think so. Oh, so whenever you make changes to the script from your external editor, once you run the script from Cinema 4D again, it'll tell you, oh, you know, the file's updated. Do you want me to kind of update my own reference to this script? And you hit yes. You gotta do that every time, which is kind of, but it's less annoying than the prior, so still saving more time. And it's just less annoying. I think that's everything for the script manager, so I'm going to end the video.